Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about a VW Amarok that we've upgraded with a front and rear dash camera solution that not only protects the vehicle while on the move, but also while parked. You may be thinking that you've seen this vehicle before. That's probably because you have. It has featured on our channel previously. It's had a full custom sound system, as well as laser lamps, as well as the fact it's had a fully bespoke lighting solution. But today's video is all about the upgrade of the Thinkware U1000 dash camera solution with the Volt battery. It's a front and rear dash cam that not only protects the vehicle while on the move, but also while parked. So the front dash camera is something called a Thinkware U1000 dash camera. It's a really discreet installed solution. In terms of the camera itself and the spec of it, it's a 4K image quality dash camera that gives you a massively wide angle lens as well, giving you great coverage and protection. In terms of the solution, in terms of the install, what's involved is actually taking off factory panels and running the cables alongside manufacturer wiring, as well as all behind factory panels. So from driver's seat, it's incredibly discreet. The mirror actually blocks out the view of majority of the dash cam, but it's one of those things once it's there, you kind of forget about it. It's there for its purpose and to protect you. The other really cool feature about this is Thinkware Cloud. It's the application that you can download right now, guys. It gives you live access directly to the dash cam so you can save footage, adjust all your settings, turn on speed camera detection, which is another awesome feature. Another thing that's very important to consider is obviously where most accidents take place when they bump into the back of you. That's why we've added on the rear dash camera here. Again, a very discreetly installed solution. Same dash camera solution that I've got in my pickup truck currently. In terms of the actual solution that we've got here, it goes onto the glass and this glass is actually tinted. So the rear camera actually sees through that without any issue. So if your vehicle is tinted on any vehicle, the camera system is such good quality, it will see directly through that and you'll be still protected. But this rear camera gives you great vision looking further back. Obviously, the only limitation of a rear camera on a pickup truck is obviously the length of the tailgate, but you've still got that added view and you've still got the impact if it were to happen. You might be thinking, how have we actually protected the vehicle when it's parked? We've added on a product called the Thinkware Volt battery system. What it is it basically charges up when you drive and then discharges as soon as it's turned off the engine. In terms of the solution, how it works and where is it fitted, it's completely hidden away. There's nothing visible whatsoever, and this is what powers the actual dash cam itself. If you drive for around about 45 minutes, basically that inputs charge into the battery and you get around about 16 hours of recording on the side. So if you're driving to the supermarket or parking up wherever you are, you know that your vehicle is protected because of the journey that you've done beforehand. It's a really essential part of adding on a dash camera solution if you're looking to protect it when the vehicle is parked with zero draw on the vehicle's battery. We're all wrapped up here on today's video, so thank you very much for watching and stay tuned right to the very end. If you are interested in having this dash camera solution installed in your vehicle or another option that we offer, make sure you get in touch with us. Drop us a message on any of our social media links. We're more than happy to go through everything with you, send you over our full price list of all our options, but give us a call and we can guide you through everything as well if you want to know a little bit more technical insight into the products. But the product link is in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you all soon.